I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart. For love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the night comes in, I'm keeping your heart. How I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my.
Hi, dude. Hi. Alam mo naman na hindi ko kaibigan yung videoin yung sarili ko habang nagsasalita ako. Pero nang dahil sa'yo, dahil mahal kita, ayan, gagawin ko. Ikaw yung babaeng laging nandyan sa akin kahit anong mangyari sa lahat ng mga problema. Hindi mo ko iniiwan. Kaya, thank you nga pala sa walang sawang pagmamahal, walang sawang pag-iintindi, walang sawang pagsusuporta sa akin. Lagi kang nandyan sa lahat ng mga pagsubok. Happy 3rd monthsary na pala sa ating dalawa din. Ayan, 3rd monthsary na, oh. Kaya, sana magkataga tayo. Happy 3rd monthsary, dude. I love you.
Girl, from the moment I saw your face, all I could do was to wish for the day that we will meet again, and maybe something new could begin. Ooh, girl, who would have thought that it would come true? It seems unreal I found my way to you, 'cause you were only in my dreams. Now I'm saying these words to you. The scent of your hair, the touch of your skin makes my world end and my life begin. Listen to me when I say these words are true. Waited all my life to be right here with you. No one in this world could make me feel this way. Only you. Only you. Now, years gone by. My day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I had found. Oh, I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile and